Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the top 5 free video editing apps for Android. Whether you're editing a vlog or school project or just making fun videos for TikTok or YouTube, these apps are perfect for getting the job done right on your phone. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Power Director. This app is great if you want professional looking videos, but you're using just your phone. It's packed with features like multi layer editing, keyframe controls, chroma key for green screen, slow motion effects, and it even supports 4K exports. So the tons on these tools, it has tons of advanced features, smooth timeline editing, great for YouTube style videos, and some of the cons are some features that are locked behind a subscription. There's also a watermark on the free version. Also, a very important tip, if you want to remove the watermark or export in higher quality, they do offer a free trial of the premium version. So you can try that first before upgrading. Overall, Power Director is perfect if you want to level up your editing game and don't mind spending a little later on. Next is Adobe Premiere Rush. This one's made by Adobe, the same people behind Premiere Pro, but it's designed for mobile editing. It is super simple and clean, so if you're posting on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, this is perfect. The pros on this tool is that it is easy to use with drag and drop editing. It syncs with your Adobe account. It is also great for quick edits and fast uploads. So the cons here are it is limited advanced features compared to desktop. The free version has export limits. You can export 3 videos for free before it asks you to upgrade. For short form content like Reels or TikToks, that's usually enough if you're editing once in a while. So if you want a no stress editor that gets the job done quick, this is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is VN Video Editor. This one's becoming super popular because it's completely free and it still gives you a lot of power. You get multi track editing, transition and effects, speed controls, keyframes, and no watermarks. The pros in these tools are there are no watermarks, even in the free version. This is a perfect balance of beginner friendly and pro features, and it also has a clean interface. So the cons on these tools are it takes a bit of time to learn all the tools. Also, sometimes it lags on older device. You don't actually need to sign up or log in to use the app. You just download it and start editing right away. If you're just starting out but want to learn real editing, this is honestly one of the best free apps out there. So at number 4, we've got Prumio. This one's made for social media lovers. It's all about creating beautiful Instagram stories, reels, Facebook posts, and more. It comes with a bunch of ready made templates, so you don't need to be a pro to make your videos look amazing. The pros in this tools are it has a huge template library, fast and easy to use. This is great for making social media content. And the cons, not great for long videos. Some templates require internet connection, and it also has watermark and free version. Promio is made by Cyberlink, the same team that made Power Director, so you know it's high quality. If you're focused on posting stylish short form content with cool graphics and effects, Promio is a time saver. And finally, we have CapCut. This app is one of the most popular video editors right now, especially with TikTok creators. It's made by the same company as TikTok, so it's no surprise that it works really well for vertical video editing. You can add trending sounds, use filters and effects, remove backgrounds, add auto captions, and export directly to TikTok. The pros in this tools, it is 100% free with no watermark. It has tons of built-in templates and effects, and this is easy for beginners. The cons in this is that it might feel too simple for advanced editing. Sometimes it crashes if you overload it. But CapCut updates often with the latest TikTok trends, so if you're someone who posts regularly, this is perfect for you. It's honestly hard to beat when it comes to speed and ease of use, and it's totally free. All right. So those are my top 5 free video editing apps for Android. Power Director for serious editing, Adobe Premiere Rush for fast, clean for social content, VN Video Editor for pro level tools, and it has no watermarks. Promeo, best for stories and social media. And finally, CapCut, TikTok friendly and super fun to use. All these apps are available on the Google Play Store, so just pick the one that fits your style and start editing. Let me know in the comments, which app are you using right now? Or did you discover a new favorite from this list? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss more helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.